Hi, guys, and welcome to our series all about Wix forms. Today, we are going to learn how to view data from a deleted form. By the way, forms can be restored within 180 days from the date it was deleted. Anything beyond that will be deleted permanently. To access a deleted form and its data, here's what you can do. On your site's dashboard, go to Customers and Leads, and go to Forms and Submissions. Go to the Filter dropdown and select Deleted Forms. Look for the deleted form, the data of which you want to see, then click on Restore. Once it's restored, click on the three-dot button next to it and click on View Submissions. And here, you should be able to view its submissions. You can then export it also if you want to. And it will be exported to your computer as a CSV file. And that's it. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.